Hey folks, okay, I met up with Scotty. I want to show you his hat he's wearing. Wanted 5758 Plymouth parts and cars and his phone number. That is clever. I like that. So he's gonna walk around advertising for that, but we're gonna show you this. Take that back. Let's shoot this. Got a Mopar over here. See what we got for a power plant. Oh yeah, we got us a big block 383.
Yes.
It's a 1968 Super B. Oh, look at that dash, folks. That is beautiful. Look at that. Holy cow, that is nice. Try to pan back. How you guys doing?
Good. How are you?
Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Check out the hood. A little bulge hood going on. Super B hood. Let's get another look at that dash while we get a little closer over here on this side. That is nicely done. I like that. All right, folks, check out the old 396 Chevelle over here. Okay, Mopar fans, here we go. I found you one. This is a nice one too. This is a big block Dodge Charger. Pardon me, got Hedman headers on it. Nice machine right there. Check out them wheels. I think they call that the Raleigh stripe. What year we got here? 1973. I always love these cars. I had one of these and I had to sell it. Sean Beef, you know about that. You the one that came and picked it up. Rally dash, yes sir. Getting a look at these wheels. I had never seen these wheels before, folks. It's new one on me. Got the bulge hood, 440 Magnum.
Here in the video.
Where's the blinker?
Give me 3 gears. Give me 3 gears.
I bet you 100% those brakes will not be as touchy as they are right now.
Got power steering on a big block. Hey, header pipe, man. Look at that. The head and the rag joint. Been there, done that a few times. MSD 6AL, common ignition. You'll find a lot of these hot rods. Electric fan. And the belt driven fan. That's the way to do it. You're driving on the street, big block Mopar. All right, folks. Let me see what else is. Look at all the old 30 stuff over there, man. Here we got a Challenger right here. Oh, we got several Mopars here. Here we go. Oh, look at the paint on this one. Big block. I think this is about a 70, 71. Am I right? 70, yes. Let me get out of this gentleman's way. He's doing a photograph. And then we got a pistol grip shifter on the automatic. And a beautiful dash. Once again, a custom dash. I love it. Love it. TA spoiler. Man, nice. Oh Lord, look at here. Pro Streeter. The Pro Street era. Got a little laundry bag out back. AAR type stripe down the side. Oh yeah, this guy out here means business. 70 CUDA, 540 cubic inches, folks. Nitrous system on it. Nice car. Tubular chassis work going on there. See? It's like it's got the, let me see, the frame appears to be square tube also. I believe it's hard to tell in that. And we got a universal joint little aftermarket steering rod. And there's a rack and pinion, Willwood rack and pinion. Alright folks. We got a roll cage in it too. I tried to get mine tagged and they wouldn't let me do it because we got a roll cage in it. The DMP guy said, can't do that. Yet I continue to see cars with roll cages in them when tagged. There's a loophole somewhere I haven't figured out, I haven't been told about. We got some big ones on this thing. Good Lord, ET Streets. I believe that's 32, 17, 50, 15. I'm reading upside down. I can't read with this regular side. You could put it upside down, you really throw me for a loop, folks. All right, let me turn you off. I'll be back. Okay, folks, Bob here. I just had lunch, and man, I'm gonna tell you what. Those had to be the sorriest fries. If they're not the sorriest fries I've ever had in my life, they're the sorriest ones I've had in decades. Lord have mercy, they were greasy and soggy and stuck together and all kind of neat stuff. But enough about me and my bad lunch. Let's look at this 65 Dodge. Now this Dodge, or 65, this is a Poly, 318 Poly, not to be confused with the later LA, the small block version. When I was in high school, 17 years old, I wanted one of these cars so bad. I mean, this was the car for me. And even back then I had junkyard connections. I had quite a few as a 17-year-old kid. And there was none in none of the junkyards. I mean, not even 4-doors. There was nothing. And so what I ended up doing, go ahead, I'm sorry. You're fine, you're fine. Ended up not getting one. What I ended up doing was not getting one, right? But I've always wanted one, and I like this color. It really is cool. I really do like these cars. I really do. It's a 500 model.
It's like that. Well, I just said,
Hey, Bubby. I just park here, right?
You know, I guess it's kind of like the pretty girl in high school you never got. I always wanted one of these and never got. I never got the prettiest girl in school. Tried to get her too. She leave me alone, fool. Oh man, I love these things. I still love these things after all these years. All right, let's check out the 442 Oldsmobile over here. I always kind of like these too. I got a little story about one of these I can tell you one day. Okay folks, there it is, the Plymouth Fury. This is a 68, I'm sorry. I should know that. And I'm gonna tell you what, he didn't get that grill from me, and none of my grills are that nice. Or my headlight bezels.
if it's not too much, I don't have stuff.
Let's see here, let's look at that. She looks like she's plum crazy purple. Yeah, 68 Fury, 367, 27.
Hers. You see that?
I cannot make out that city. I think it says Lexington. I believe it's Lexington, North Carolina. Oh man, look at this. Look at the dash in this car. Holy cow. Now that right there is about as good as it gets. Holy damn cow. I cannot get over that. If anybody needs it, I got this piece of trim. I took it off for a guy and he never paid on this body style, the hard top body style, 68, 67, 68 I believe. Fury only, won't fit the Dodge. I got one in good shape, needs to be polished. It's not bent or anything like that. I'd love to sell it to somebody, but I went and took it off. These tail lights are very hard to get. I've actually sold cracked tail lights and got good money for them. These tail lights are really hard to come by. And this trim panel on the piece back is kind of hard to come by too. I've sold quite a few of those. I'll tell you what, this is nice. This is nice. I cannot get over that dash. This rivals that dash in that Duster that guy had, Mike. He had a beautiful Duster he'd customized, and man, Mike, I know your dash is beautiful, but this one's right there with you, buddy. Holy cow, I love it. I'm all looking for that. These windshields get a little hard to find. I've sold a few of them.
It's just like this. No, this has a 360.
Two-door windshields, I should say. Two-door hardtop. All right, folks, let's get this Fairlane while we're right here. 1957 Custom 300. And I think they're over there. We're not too far from the parking lot cone thing. Here we go. Look at that trim. I like this stuff. Yeah, we'll head over there and check out the blueprint engines. Yeah, we'll walk over there and watch some of that. Okay, I can't get so far. Okay, folks, check this machine out. I'm gonna give you a little clue right here. Look at there. Let you look at the engine. It's a Hellcat. A Hellcat swap. Take that, you LS swap, folks. Getting just one up you, we like five up you. Brandon Ray, that's what I need to do. I need to put a Hellcat in my Fury. I'll have something for you, little LS then. I think I got something for you, LS now, but just in case I don't, I will have something for you then. I do believe this guy's out of Florida, man. Wow. Long haul of the year. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a nice car. This is a nice automobile. And it's drawing a crowd too, folks, and I can understand why. Holy cow. That's how to do it right there. Alrighty. Let's pan back so we can get you a look here. Alright, folks, let me see what else I can find for you. Let's check out the Charger. I got a soft spot in my heart for these Chargers. They believe we got ourselves another Hellcat. Yes, we do. No, we don't. We got an early Hemi with a Hellcat intake, Hellcat supercharger. Look at that. Now, I have not yet seen this. You know what? I think those are just valve covers laid over top of the Hellcat engine. That's what it is. Yeah, that's what that is. This is another beautiful car. And it's drawing a crowd. Holy cow, look at this. 66. Oh, look at this interior, man. Holy cow. Doug Gorley, this is you, buddy. Holy cow, that is nice. All right, this color is beautiful. Got the little red lines on it. The unobtainium headlight, tail lights. I think they do reproduce them finally though. I sold it was a demo. Guy was remanufacturing these, and he did it in bronze. He only made one, and he gave it to me because it's Cisco. I know you're watching this, Cisco. I sold that thing, buddy. Some guy, I think a collector, bought it. But that was cool that you did that. You gave that to me. I appreciate that. Can't argue with that dash. I mean, that is gorgeous. Folks, I'm telling you, the work it takes to get these cars to this level, and the money and the commitment. That's why I like all these cars. I'm not single-minded on this stuff. These cars, I just admire, I guess because I do restoration work and stuff. I know what it takes to reach this level. Actually, I don't. I've never had one this level. All right, folks, let's see what else we can find for you.